mga repa peeps. Man, this camera is so good, huh? Don't you think? So I just got the new GoPro, the GoPro H Black, and now we're gonna test some ride with it, some videos. I'm excited. Are you? I'm excited for the new videos about to come. So this is just a test. Alright, good stuff.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's already 5:25. I just got off work, and let's see how this GoPro deals with the low light.
I'm working, I wanna be great, yeah. Working, I wanna be paid, yeah. Every decision I made, yeah. I ain't ever been afraid, nah. I'm always trying new things, yeah. That's how you grow and succeed, yeah. Man, you just gotta believe, yeah. So listen up while I proceed, yeah. Want a couple $100,000, like, yeah. Got a couple hundred plans, like, yeah. Man, I do it for the fans, like, yeah. I don't do it for the gram, no. Do it for the gram, no. Do it for the gram, oh, nah. I don't do it for the camera, I just do it cause I love it. Do it cause I want it. I can never get enough, yeah. Don't judge so quickly. Yeah, we all been guilty, and this life's real tricky. Just keep your head down with me. I've been making tracks so I feel okay. I've been making tracks so I feel this way. Make them back to back or I'd go insane. Every single week it resets my brain.
So, are you fixing my bike? Is it okay? Okay, did you fix it? Come on, fix it. I don't know. No, don't put it in there. No, not in there. No. No.
The next day.
Yeah, we all been guilty, and this life's real tricky. Just keep your head
82 kilometers later.
Oh, I'm almost home again, and this problem occurred. My Di2 battery died on me. But you know what? It just shifted itself. The chainring, it shifted itself to the small chainring. While I was riding on the big ring, it shifted itself. It went to small ring. And when I was trying to shift it to big, like, there is no reaction. It doesn't move. It's not clicking. It's like, what I've read from the instructions is that Di2 battery is like, it's already on its like 20% or something. Yeah, 20%. But the rear derailleur is still shifting, so that's good. Look at it. So yeah, but this one is not shifting anymore, you know. So that's still a good thing. That's still a good thing. Now it's time to charge my Di2 battery before I will get the time that I will forget to charge it and go on a ride and never to ship again. I mean, the last time I charged my battery was Taiwan KOM. That was October. It's February now. I've ridden so long and so many times now. I forgot that, yeah, it's time to charge the battery. Don't forget to charge. Okay, go home now and charge, alright? Thank you for watching. Extra strong. And espresso. Every after ride, I always drink my coffee. Okay. I haven't removed my shirt and my jersey yet, and I'm here blending my coffee. And some cheesecake. Okay, and always pair your coffee with the Uncle Techu's cheesecake. What is it? Ooh.
Cheese.
Okay, let's slice it, alright?
Cheese.
Do you want this?
No.
Do you want this one?
No.
No?
No, Papa.
Why not? One for you. And one for me. Paired with a good coffee. Alright. Good coffee ride today, huh? And the coffee is at my home.